Japandi Minimalist Backyard, the ultimate guide to designing a guest house-inspired garden. Transforming your backyard into a serene retreat is a rewarding endeavor that brings both peace and joy to your home. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through the incorporation of beautiful garden wall art, decorative fences, and charming pathway designs. These elements not only elevate the visual appeal of your outdoor space, but also create an environment where you can unwind or entertain guests in style. Garden wall art comes in a variety of forms, from vibrant murals to subtle, nature-inspired motifs. These pieces infuse your backyard with personality, serving as focal points that draw the eye and set the tone for your outdoor retreat. Consider using materials such as metal, wood, or recycled items to craft a unique artistic display. Whether you're aiming for a bold statement or a gentle whisper of creativity, thoughtfully placed wall art can encapsulate your vision, adding layers of depth and interest to your garden. Decorative fences are another vital component in transforming your backyard. Beyond their practical function of providing privacy and security, fences can act as a canvas for your creative expressions. Opt for designs that complement your garden's aesthetic, such as intricate latticework or sleek horizontal slats. These structures can support climbing plants, blurring the lines between man-made and natural elements, fostering a harmonious atmosphere. Hang lanterns or string lights along the fence to add a magical glow, enhancing the ambience as the sun sets. Pathway designs are equally important in shaping the flow and function of your garden. A well-crafted path not only guides visitors, but also invites exploration. Choose materials like natural stone, gravel, or sustainable wood planks to create paths that blend effortlessly with the surrounding landscape. Curving paths add a sense of mystery and discovery, leading guests through a lush oasis. Accentuate pathways with low ground cover, plants, solar-powered lights, or small sculptures to add charm and intrigue. The integration of these elements allows you to create a backyard that is both a peaceful escape and a vibrant gathering space. By focusing on garden accents like artistic wall panels and stylish trellises, you inject warmth and originality into your outdoor sanctuary. No matter your style preference, be it rustic, modern, or whimsical, these enhancements pave the way for a backyard that not only reflects your taste, but also respects the environment. Incorporating eco-friendly materials ensures that your retreat is sustainable, providing beauty while preserving natural resources. Reclaimed wood, recycled metal, and energy-efficient lighting options are just a few ways to achieve this balance. By doing so, you contribute to a healthier planet while enjoying a garden that is as kind to the earth as it is pleasing to the eye. Ultimately, your backyard can become more than just an outdoor space. It can transform into a heartfelt escape where the worries of the day fade away. Whether it's enjoying a quiet morning coffee among the flowers or hosting a lively evening with friends under the stars, your backyard retreat offers a place to relax, recharge, and connect with nature. With thoughtful design choices, you can create a sanctuary that not only soothes the soul, but also inspires the senses, making every moment spent in your garden a cherished experience.